Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to fix camera app is not working on your Windows 10. So I am going to show you 3 easy and simple method to fix this issue. So let's get started. So first method is this guys, press Windows key button and here you want to search camera privacy settings and open these settings, and here you can get the option camera access for this device is on. If the camera access for this device is off, just click on change. From here you want to enable this option. After turning on this guys, hope your camera issue was now solved. In case you are facing same problem, scroll down, you can get the option allow app to access your camera. Just you want to enable this option. After this guys, scroll down once again, you can get the app which app was accessing your camera. So if your particular app camera access permission was off, so just you want to turn on this option for your particular app. So after this guys, check your hope your issue was not solved. In case you are facing same problem, you can follow my next method. Next method is this guys, hold Windows key button and press X. From here you want to open device manager. From here you want to find out the camera and extend this. After extending, right click on this. From here you want to update your camera app for your Windows 10. So you can get the two options to update the driver. First is you can update the camera app driver from online. With the help of second option, you can update the camera driver from your Windows PC. So you want to try this both method. After doing these methods guys, you want to restart your Windows 10 one time. After restarting, hope your camera issue was now solved. In case you are facing same error, you can follow my last and final method. Press Windows key button and here you want to search camera, and here in the right side you can get the option app setting. Just click on it. From here you can easily reset the camera app on your Windows 10. Scroll down and here you can get the option to reset the app. Just click on it and reset the camera app. After resetting, one more time you want to restart your Windows 10. After restarting, hope your issue was not 100% solved. In case you are facing same error, one more bonus method I am going to show you. You can also try this method. Hold Windows key and press I. With this help of shortcut key, you can open your Windows settings. In the Windows settings, go to update and security. If the Windows 10 update was available, you need to update the Windows 10. After updating Windows 10, your issue was hopefully solved. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Actually this video I am making for my subscriber. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt related to this video, you can clear your doubts in the comment section below.